In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Uniswap future while talking about uni cost estimate for 2023 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to think about this and some other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Uniswap. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the particle value expectation and answer questions in the event that Uniswap is a wise venture or not. For what reason will Uniswap succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Uniswap value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Uniswap and its to-date history. What is Uniswap? The undertaking was made by an individual called Hayden Adams, a previous mechanical specialist who lost his genuine world work in 2017. Seeing a post made by Ethereum's Vitalik Buterin persuaded him to find out about brilliant agreement improvement. After he did as such, Adams later on utilized his recently procured abilities to make a decentralized trade which he named Uniswap. The trade is facilitated on the Ethereum blockchain engineering as 2Savvy gets a production line agreement and trade contract. The Plant Shrewd agreement contains a trade vault and a strategy to send and trade contract for a specific ERC20 token. On account of this, any legitimate ERC20 token can be traded on Uniswap by means of their own interesting trade contract. There is precisely one trade contract for every ERC20 token, and in the event that a token doesn't yet have a trade, one can be made by anybody utilizing the Uniswap production line contract. Computerized market producer market making isn't finished by indicating the costs you need to sell, purchase for. What happens is that Uniswap makes markets with the assistance of a deterministic calculation called robotized market creator. The calculation provides cost estimates to end clients as per a pre-characterized rule set called consistent item market producer model. This AMM can continuously give liquidity, regardless of how enormous the request size nor how small the liquidity pool. The stunt is that the cost of the coin asymptotically increments as the ideal amount increments, while bigger orders will generally endure. Thus, the framework never needs to stress over running out of liquidity. The market-making instrument works through the XY equals K equation. For instance, we should expect that market producers contributed 1,000 ERC20 token and 1,000 ETH to the pool. The objective of the trade's calculation is to keep up with the size of this 1 million symbolic pool. Uniswap value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of gigantic industry players into the situation, the horizon is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill, an unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and basic evaluation of each undertaking. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023-01-26 2.14% $6. 472023-0127 plus 2.49% $6. 782023-0128 plus 3.24% $6. 832023-0129 $0.26% $6. 602023-0130 plus 2.45% $6. 782023-0131 plus 3.41% $6. 842023-0201.09% $6. 542023-0201.21% $6. 532023-0203.59% $6.44 Uniswap value expectation 2023. High expansion and very dangerous full-scale circumstance thought about vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inside crypto issues with enormous players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will presumably see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Feb 16.02% $5.55. 2023 Blemish 29.59% $4.66. 2023 Apper 21.76% $5.18. 2023 May 11.14% $5.88. 2023 Jun 3.14% $6.41. 2023 Joel 2.32% $6.46. 2023 AUG plus 9.38% $7.23. 2023 SEP plus 13.51% $7.51. 2023 OCT plus 22.69% $8.11. 2023 NOV plus 38.14% $9.14. 2023 DEC plus 37.04% $9.06. 2024 JAN plus 51.50% $10.02. UNI Value Forecast 2025. Our expectation model sees Uni coming to $16.20 in 2025. What will Uni be worth in 5 years? The cost of Uni in 5 years could lie around $15.33. Uniswap Value Forecast 2030 to 2040. What Uniswap will be worth in 2030? Our Guajing model sees Uniswap coming to $40.51 in 2030. What Uniswap will be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees Uniswap coming to $81.02 in 2040. Will Uniswap supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Uniswap won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might Uniswap at any point reach $100? Indeed, Uniswap could reach $100 toward the finish of 2025. Could Uniswap at any point reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Uniswap to reach $1,000 in the short or mid-term period. Is Uniswap worth purchasing? We are supporters of decently hazardous financial planning. Put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bushel of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little ventures with gigantic potential gain. Thus, in this unique situation, Uniswap merits purchasing. Is Uniswap a wise venture? Uniswap is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, a dangerous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Uniswap be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $3.85. In the long haul, it could leap to $40.51 or significantly higher. For what reason will Uniswap succeed and become more expensive? Uniswap has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics,